Let's see how to design the taper pin. Diameter of the taper pin is 6 mm. Taper ratio is 1:50 and length is capital D. Okay, capital D is 60 mm. Die is 6 mm. Let us design. Open a new file, new part file, select sketch, select align command. From origin point, I will draw one horizontal line of diameter capital D, means that is the length, that is 60 mm. 60, enter, fit. Next, one side I will give a length of diameter 6, that is 6 divided by 2, that is 3 mm. Next, other end, from origin point, let us draw one more line of, that is 4.8. Taper is 1:50. 60 divided by 50 is, previously we have calculated, that is 1.2. So let us say 6 minus 1.2 is 4.8. So on the other end, 4.8 divided by 2, that is 2.4 mm. Now join the other end. So now it is taper, we can see here. Okay. Next step, select revolve command, select the sketch, accept, select this baseline. So this is our taper pin. This is the taper pin. Save the file as taper pin. Save the file.